Hi guys, welcome to this video. I got selected among the 100 shortlisted. I mean, like the lucky draws. I was selected one of the super trader to use options trader beta version from Dhan. So I just wanted to make this video to showcase what are the options right now we have, what are the choices, what are the features we have right now in this web-based options trader.dhan.co, where we can, this is mainly for the options traders, they can build their spreads, they can build up 8 leg spreads, like all their eigen contours, butterfly, whatnot, based on the views of the market, or like it's totally flexible for the option trader. So let's just go through. This is just the beta version, so there could be a lot of improvements that could come when the final version gets released. So they have actually included this into the beta version where you can instantly on the dashboard page on the you can share feedback. So this is the dashboard. It showcases Nifty 50 three indices, mostly Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, and Fin Nifty, because these are the three indices we can trade in Indian market. So I think they have given shortcuts here. So clicking one of the indices, it'll take you directly. You can call it as a snapshot or like summary of that index. Like it shows your historical performance, markets, like what was the current price move, highs and lows and stuff with relatively to the previous day. And you have this line chart over here, which you can actually take it as a full advanced chart with whatever kind of candlesticks or whatever, like the normal trading view chart or chart IQ chart. You can do that. And so this is my first voice in video, so it's going to be really crude. So pardon me for that. So this is what we have on the top here. Okay, below the tab, below the menu bar. I mean, like, I don't know what do you call this, tabs? Okay, so they have three buttons over here. Okay, shortcuts like advanced option chain. So if you click this, so new tab opens up and your whole option chain opens up. Okay, so it depends on your internet speed, probably how fast this loads up. So it actually gives you everything, like almost your same like your NSC option chain. This opens up. This color horizontal bars which you see, these are the open interest. Okay, change in open interest. Okay, so that is those colors bars. Those are the colors bars. Then the expiries you have here on the top, with just simple click, you can just change to expiries, which is very convenient, super convenient. And they have all these fancy stuff like at the money, implied volatility, IV change percentage, and so many stuff, days for expiry, like so much information, guys. Like, okay, let's just check what is this. Okay, so here the shortcut. Here's the shortcut to the settings. You can actually edit here. You can even remove like a few of the columns. I think it is a little bit customizable, and you can even save it. Wow. Okay, that is nice. And I expect this video to be at least 15 to 20 minutes, so just hang on. Okay, so this is my first time making a voiceover video, so anyway, so we have what are the settings we have? Okay, so we have this arrow marks so that we can go through the expiries here. Very nice. Okay, you can search option chain. Okay, let me just check. Okay, so you can search. Okay, so you can directly go to any stock from the search bar. So let's just check HDFC Bank. Yep, that works. Okay, so down arrow key is not working, so that sucks. So I need to report that in the feedback. But I think I've come to understand that Dhan is more interested. Their interface is more interested in using the mouse and keyboard. It's not like I mostly use keyboard, which is very good, and it's super fast, super convenient to just immediately, select your strikes and just buy and everything. But it's just inconvenient to every time use your mouse to select things. But anyways, I think I'll just share the feedback later. Anyways, let's just close this. And next would be, so the next would be this option snapshot. Let's just check what it is. Okay, so it is showing like three monthly strikes over here and some uh, price of the index, and it is showing in the money, out the money, implied volatility, and the open interest and stuff. So it's showing some PCR and showing all the 3 month. Basically, the option snapshot is showing the month end strikes. Okay, near month, next month, and far month. Okay, so let's just click view in depth. Okay, by clicking the view in depth, it is showing us the open interest summary. And the next, this is change in open interest. And okay, the market is closed, so that's why it's zero. Okay, it is set for tomorrow. That's why it is zero. Next is PCR ratio. Okay, put call ratio. Nice. Volume PCR. Live max pain. Okay, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, so that is options snapshot. So next we have future snapshot. What do we have here? So we have the highs and lows of the index itself, and we have the futures high and lows over here, the details over here, like the same three monthly expiries over here. This actually gives us a pretty good clue to predict the market. So let's just click view in depth. Okay, now here it is showing highs and lows and the volumes. Okay, so there's some market depth here, and we are having now the chart is of the futures chart. Okay, is the Nifty 50 futures chart. Okay, so we saw. Okay, so all these three things, what they do. Okay, this is where this small rectangle is where it shows you the current PNL and today's high and low, MTM high and low status. And below that we have options, the most active options. By the name goes, most active options, like which contracts are being traded the most. So next we have OI gainers. So which are the contracts which gain the most OI? As the name goes, OI losers. Price gainers refers to the LTP change, the highest gain. Holy shit, 2000, 2000%. The top contracts you see, mostly the top five contracts. It's usually the contract just opened up fresh, so that's why. So we have covered up the markets tab pretty much here, and on the left side, what we have is market outlook. So basically, this is like, what is your prediction? So let's say I'm predicting Nifty Bank will be below 42,500, 42,500. If I click find opportunities, so it will show me a lot of different spreads. Okay, like bear put spread. Anything else we have? Bear call spread. You know, a long strangle. So it's basically showing you instant strategies so that you can immediately execute, okay, or maybe even save as basket and execute it later, okay, or maybe you can just analyze it, okay, like you can see the payoff graph and stuff like that. Let's just go right, and okay, let's just choose something with a really good max profit. Okay, this one is showing, okay, forget about the long iron condor. Let's just go with this 15,000 one. Okay, let's see in the builder. All right. So this spread is a pretty straightforward spread. So if the market drops, then we make money, and the max profit is at 15,000. And if the market becomes bullish, our loss is limited to 5,000 expiry. You see 4,900, so that's why I'm rounding it up to 5,000. So this is like 3 hour trade. But what is the probability? If you go into the ops chart, it usually shows you POP, probability of profit. That is the probability percentage you can expect whether this trade will become a success or not. So if I need to add a leg, so we can click here, and this opens up this option chain. This tiny option chain pops up. Let me add. So I'm having bearish view, correct? So let me just add 42,400 puts. Okay, I'll just click buy and click close. Then 42,500 put. Then I'll can. Now, what has happened is I've just completely made this same like a long put instead of bear call spread. So we can delete this by clicking this options button. And what do we have? Market depth. Okay. Oh, it's instantly showing. Thank God it's not taking you to a next page or something. Add to watch list. Okay, that is nice. See on charts. Okay, good. It's opening on the next, I mean, new tab. Okay, so that is very nice. Let's just close that. Then what else it shows? Okay, so you can actually change the whole, I mean, like change the quantity of the whole spread. Let's say the like lot of legs here, like buy, you know, like buy. I'm just adding it random. Okay, it's not some kind of a strategy. So I just wanted to show you how I can edit all these quantities at the same time, but it can be actually changed with equal quantities. So I can just enter 10 and you see everything became 10. Okay, so this is how you can change the quantity at one go for all the legs. This is a very convenient feature. Like uh, you can see that if there are not enough margin for the spread, you can instantly enter the money and just top it up from, I think, net banking, smart transfer, and UPI. So that is nice. So it shows you the overall margin required and the final margin after the hedge benefit and the net premium. Okay, net premium you will receive that will get credited or debited. A fast create. Oh, okay. So we have multiple strategies here. Short strangle, long strangle, straddle. So you can instantly create a spread. This opens up the trading view chart and this opens the chart IQ chart. Chart IQ chart. Advanced option chain. I think it's going to open your option chain. So if you change the index, it remembers the spread that you created, which is pretty good. So yeah, after you create the spread and edit all the settings and strikes and quantities, you can directly go and wait. Can I just make this market? Oh yeah, very good. Okay, I can make it as market like this. So I can directly go and execute it, or I can add it to the basket and execute it later. So this is strategy builder, guys. So these lines, let me just explain you. This dash line, uh, most of you option traders must be knowing, and for the beginners, let me just explain that there are actually like two projected P&L, okay, based on the expiry days and volatility and stuff like that. Okay, the dash line what you see is the P&L you will make on current day, okay, on right now, considering the current volatility, okay. So it could keep on changing, but not much, but it could keep on changing. But this is somewhat your approximate estimation of the P&L that you can make today, okay, this dash line, okay. So this dark green line and this dark red line you see is the profit and loss that you'll make on the expiry day. Okay, provided you hold the spread till 3:30 p.m. Okay, 3:29 p.m. whatever. So that is that. Okay. So okay, we have some spot price, current spot price here in the research chart. Okay, to refresh. Okay. So next is the P&L table. It is showing you the entry price, target price. So that's what it does. So that's what it does. Wow, this is very, very cool. I've not seen this in Obstra. Okay, I haven't used Sensible for like at least 3 years. I used it in back in 2020, so I don't remember how Sensible is doing right now. So this is really cool. So like say my expectation for today is 42,000. So it'll actually show me like what will be my, what will be the price if the price reaches today itself 42,200. Next is a strategy chart. So it is actually comparing the spot price and your the spreads premium, combined premium. Okay, so these are the three tabs, guys, and I think this will give you the candlestick. Oh, it sucks. I think line is way much better. Line is at least 10 times better, man. So, okay, we completed markets, we completed strategy builder. Let's go to the pre-built strategies. Now, I can choose expiry from here. Okay, fine. So again, basically the spot price, trading view chart, spot chart IQ chart, and info. What does this tell me? Oh, okay, so it takes me back to the index dashboard. I think this is basically like maybe the con most traded strategies. Bull put spread. There are like 10 variants of it. Call ratio, we have 10. You see 10 variants of it. Different types of call ratios. There may be different strikes and different quantities. So, different like expected profits and losses. Anyway, so you can just click here. Bullish. Do you have bullish view? Okay. Bearish view. Okay. So this changed. Non-direction. Now we have the short straddle, short triangle. Any direction. Okay. We have this. Okay. So these are like people strategies. This is a quick way to, a no-brainer execution, you don't have time to think about what strikes you want. Maybe you are on the move or something. You just open your mobile and open this website and you just, you're bullish and you just want to enter. And like you're protected because this is a proper spread and the maximum loss will be limited. So, you know, so that's how this can be used, pre-built strategies. So this is basically for the beginners and people maybe who are like doing part-time, working from the office, they are on the go. It will be useful for them, the pre-built strategies. Let's go to the underlying FNO. So I think this is the one which tells you everything about that FNO scripts, whatever I search. Let's just search something. Always the banks comes to my mind. Okay, so okay, this gives you the spot chart, okay, underlying chart, not the futures chart. So if you need to see the future, you need to click this futures summary. Let's just check out all these buttons here, but before that, I just had one. Does the down arrow key work? No. Again. Oh yeah, I just remembered. This was the feedback I wanted to enter. Let me just type it and come. All right, I just typed the feedback that I need to send. So, all right. Okay, what is this trade button? What is that? Oh, okay. When I click the trade button, it just opened a new mode called trade mode, and it is giving me the option to buy and sell. It is showing market depth, and it is showing the positions with that script, I suppose. And what else we have? We have the all the details, market depth, basically the market depth. Okay, basically the market depth we have. We have the different kinds of charts, option chain again, all the FNO scripts you can just trade directly from this website. That's what it means. You don't need to go to your Dhan website, You don't need to open tradingview.dhan or you don't need to open web.dhan.co. You can just directly trade. This is actually very good for derivative traders. They don't need to open the web.dhan.co and just trading from this platform. It'll be even more snappier. It'll be faster because web.done.co is loaded with a lot of stuff which a derivative trader does not need. Okay, let's just so this is next is option chain. We have already seen the same thing in a you know under a button basically. So next is the build up. So every 15 minutes is telling you what is being done. Okay, the next is the technicals. So this is basically giving you the Fibonacci and classic levels. Okay, I like Camarilla, so I'll just switch it over here. You don't need to actually need a chart. You can just see it from the levels here. And it's giving you like where are the moving averages right now. Okay, so that is RSI, ATR, stochastic, MACD, okay, a lot of stocks. Like basically this is like indicators, seeing the indicators on a numerical manner. I mean like not not on the chart. It's just reading the data here and trading. Option summary. Okay. So it gives you a little bit of overlook at the three monthly options and which are the being most traded ones. I think pops up here. And also you can search whatever you want from here. Let's just search probably 43,500. Okay, that did not turn out right. So 43,500. Okay, that is funny. Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty, 42,500. Okay, so this search result does only gives you the spot price. I mean spot name you can search. You cannot search the options contract name. Okay, nice to know. Next is future summary. All right. Okay, so yeah, basically again the market depth and stuff. How many days to expiry and stuff. What is the lot size per lot size, expiry day, everything. Okay. All right. Let's check the margin. What is this? So this is basically telling you how much you need to pay if you need to trade this instrument. All right. So they are giving 5 times leverage on intraday, and with cover order still 5x. Delivery, if you select delivery, you need to pay the full margin, and if you select MTF, they'll be giving you 4 times leverage. Okay, that's great. Okay, so you can see here. So if you want to buy ICICI Bank one stock for long term, then or maybe it's swing term, whatever. Delivery trade basically. If you take delivery trade, you need 892 rupees. But if you take it on intraday, you just need 178.45. If you take it on MTF, you'll be requiring only 223. A balance will be given as a loan by Dhan, and you need to pay 0.0038% interest per day. Okay, you can check it in the Dhan website. ICICI Bank. Okay, this is basically market depth. Okay, some fundamentals, correct? So yeah, company ownership. What do they have? So I don't see fundamentals much, but I think maybe. Oh wow, news and media. Oh, that's great. This is cool. This is cool. Part of indices. So it is telling you ICICI Bank belongs to which indices? So 200, it's there in 250, large mid 250. So these multiple indices, ICICI belongs to in multiple indices. Stock and sector information. I'm very sorry guys, my throat is not good right now. Maybe it's not the right time to record a video, but anyway, I thought I'll record income statement. So this is basically all the fundamental stuff, balance sheet, fundamental analysis stuffs, which I don't do. Okay, cool, pretty cool. So you can switch between NSE and BSE also. Okay, so that is that. Okay, when you click portfolio, you can see all your investments, holdings, and you click positions, you can see your current intraday trades and your overnight positions, you can see. And they have very good in profit and loss kind of stuff, very easy to see. Categorize your trades and see properly. Let's just get into the orders, and I'll just show you all the orders that were punched today. Basically, I don't need to scroll down here. And as your draft. So this is my first video recording a voiceover, so uh, hope I don't receive any bad comments. And I don't mind also. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.